What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Wildhook Adventures. We're out here at the Tetilla Peak in Cochiti. It's kind of windy, a little chilly, but we're gonna try our luck. We always seem to do pretty good when it's windy. We're gonna be shooting for every type of species they have in here, but I'm gonna be mainly targeting crappie. See if I can finally hook up on a crappie in here. I got a new crappie pole. If you guys can see it, it's a 12-foot crappie hunter. So let's see if we can catch anything. Thank you guys for watching. Found a little spot right here. Gonna throw out the little. Gotta get deep into these bushes. Crappies like to be in the bushes. Protects them from the predators. They see something swim by, they come out and eat it, and then they hide back. They hide back in the bushes. Just reeling in slow, giving it a little twitch. A different spot, because right here I can't seem to really get into the bushes. Let's see if I can wrap around better here. Fish on, fish on. I got one. That looks like a, oh, no way. Got my first crappie out of here. He's a really good sized one too. Oh, I hooked him good. He wasn't getting off. Beautiful. My first crappie at a Cochiti. My little hole with my baby jig. Beautiful. Right out of the bushes. Nice little fat one. He's going in the basket. We just got our first crappie out of here. See if we can hook into another one. Oh, oh, that was a bush. Thought it was another crappie. Got all excited. Fish on. Another crappie. Yeah. Another beautiful crappie. There we go. We're on the crappie. Brought a stringer with me this time. That way I don't have to walk back to the truck. Throw them back in to the cooler. These little guys are very tasty. So, we're gonna keep some. Try this again. They are here. Everybody would always tell me there was crappie in here. They were so elusive. All right, you guys, we got 2 crappie. It's pretty windy. We're gonna go look for a different spot, see what we can do. Super windy. Ah. Ah. Right in the face. Guys, we were able to hook up on 2 crappie. The wind picked up and we were unable to continue fishing just because it kept going into the sky. So, thank you guys for watching.